Hi friends, good morning. So I'm back with questions of strategic management chapter 1. लास्ट 3 वीडियोस में हमने 3 टॉपिक डिस्कस किए थे. पहला टॉपिक हमने कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रैटेजी के क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए थे. सेकेंड टॉपिक हमने स्ट्रैटेजिक मैनेजमेंट वी आर डिस्कस एंड थर्ड वी आर डिस्कस लेवल्स इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Am I clear? So today is the last topic for chapter 1 which talks about role of SM in NPOs. Role of SM in NPOs, according to me, this is one of the most important topic for a case study. You can have a case study. See, not case study based MCQ. I hope you know that you have one case study based MCQ and one you have a case study where you have to give subjective case study. Am I clear? So I think a case study, subjective case study can come from here. Am I clear? So basically what are we going to do today? Role of SM in NPOs. I hope you're with me. So now come to question number 1. It's correct, incorrect. State the reason whether statement is true or false. NPOs do not require strategic management. Boss, when I was teaching this topic in my class, I have made myself very clear to my students that question number 10, you have to learn by default. By default, you have to learn it. And any question and every question of SM in NPO, this 4 points should be your answer. So you understand, when case study comes into exam, no teacher can teach you exactly what case study is going to come. Nobody, not practically possible also. So what need to be done? You need to be proactive, well prepared in advance. That if a case study will come on this particular topic, this will be a part of my answer. And balanced part will depend. See, this 4 points is common to all case study of this topic. Question number 10, this 4 point is common to all case studies. What extra you have to write depend upon case to case. That much you can manage. 70% answer is done when you write this 4 points. So what are this 4 point? Let me just read it once. Similar to commercial companies, NPOs must also have strategies, purpose, vision, and mission. That means be profit, be NPO. Everybody needs to have an SM. Strategic management is required to give direction, focus, and lead to efficient utilization of resources. They also work within the environment forces and need to manage strategically to stay afloat to accomplish the objective. See, though their objective is not to make profit, but they are also in this environment, turbulent environment. They also have to face the uncertainty of this environment. They also want to survive. For that, SM will help them a lot. For the purpose of continuity and meeting their goals, they also need to have and manage funds and other resources, just like any other for-profit companies. As NPOs are totally dependent on outside financing, and mainly for this, SM provides an excellent vehicle for developing and justifying requests for needed financial support. SM is SM NPOs work on charity, am I clear? Donation, and for that they need to have SM, because if somebody will come and say that I want a lakh rupee, I won't give a rupee only. But somebody comes and say I have this problem, that problem, or they come with a whole plan. This is my vision. This is the mission. This is the objective. This is the strategy. Then I can think of giving them the money. Am I clear? Am I clear? So what's the first question? NPO do not require SM. Incorrect. We have just studied point 1 to 4 is important. So this 1 to 4 is the answer. Am I clear? Question number 10 is the answer. Answer is question number 10. Second, SMS needed is not needed in NPOs. Again, incorrect. Same answer. Now come to this case study. Again, I'm saying case study on which topic? On NPOs. Those 4 points right by default. Balance depend upon case to case. What they've written: Health No, a Delhi-based charitable organization promoting healthy lifestyle amongst the office goers. It organizes programs to encourage and guide office goers on matters related to stress relief, yoga, exercise, healthy diet, weight management, work life balance, and so on. Many business companies and resident welfare association take service of Health Now. Its daily yoga session are very popular in some of the big companies located in Delhi, Noida, and Gurgaon. The Health Well Know has no commercial interest. This is the answer, that this is NPO. no commercial interest, do not charge fees for its services. However, the company is able to get good charities and have sufficient funds to meet its routine expenses. Do you think SM is relevant? Yes. Why? That 4 points. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 के चारों पॉइंट तो लिखना ही लिखना है. ये लिख के आपने अगर 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है 2.5 50% to 60% मार्क आपने कंफर्म कर लिए. बैलेंस 1.5 मार्क विल वेरी केस टू केस. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? Needs to cover aspect Y, sufficient funds to meet the objective, efficiently reach more office goers, promote itself to more offices to more resident welfare association, and have a deep collaboration with health experts including dietitians, psychologists, fitness trainers, and yoga experts. Again, this is a general answer. Am I clear? Fourth question. Health Buddy is an NPO providing medical facilities to poor and needy at a highly affordable cost. The company is dependent on government grants and donations to manage its affairs. Rohit, who is running the company, believe in taking things as they come. It's like reactive bano. The things, let's accept the things as it comes, and will change the level of activities based on the funds available. Do you think Rohit is right in taking things as it comes? What will you advise him? No. You should not see, you should try to be as much as proactive and then reactive. So you should not take things as it comes. You should be proactive and well proactive. Write that 4 points and then see the answer over here. It is not advisable for a company to take things as they come. Companies whether commercial or non-commercial need proper planning. In fact, SM process is being used effectively by countless NPOs. Many NPOs and government companies outperform private firms and corporations on innovations, motivation, productivity, and human relationships. Compared to profit firms, NPOs and government companies often function as a monopoly, produce a product or service that offers little or no measurability of performance, and are totally dependent on outside financing. Especially for this, companies strategic management provides an excellent vehicle for developing and justifying requests for needed financial support. आ गया कि नहीं आ गया? वो 4 पॉइंट मैं अभी भी कह रही हूँ. सी जब हमें क्वेश्चन नहीं पता होता एग्जैक्टली क्या आएगा, एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं पता, टाइप पता है, थोड़ा सा वेल प्रिपेयर होकर एडवांस में जाना चाहिए कि ये टॉपिक के ये क्वेश्चन तो लिखेंगे हम. Am I clear? Come to fifth question. Explain briefly following areas where SM concentrate to achieve long-term prosperity. Am I clear? Profitability, competitive position, employee development, and public responsibility. You have to learn this answer. Learn by heart. Profitability के लिए क्या बोला है? The ability of a company to operate in the long term depends on achieving an adequate level of profits. This profit usually expressed in terms of earning per share or return on equity. Competitive position. The method of knowing the organization's success is based on the relative dominance of a company in the marketplace. Organizations commonly establish an objective in terms of competitive position using total sales or marketplace as measure of the competitive position. This is just a general answer, you have to learn it. Employee development, providing employee value education and training leads to increased compensation and job security. Providing such opportunities often increase productivity and decrease turnovers. Employee turnovers. Decrease what? Employee turnover. That means employee joining and employee leaving. And last, public responsibility. Managers recognizes their responsibilities towards their customers and to society at large. Many companies work not only to develop reputations for a fairly priced product and service but also establish themselves as responsible corporate citizens. That means CSR. Am I clear? Corporate social responsibility. Am I clear? And last question. Do Good Group is an NPO based in northern India working towards child care. The group educates people towards immunization, sanitization, and works in coordination with local hospitals or medical centers. Recently, a new team has taken over the management of its activities. Explain whether SM is relevant for the group or not. 100% yes. Answer is question number 10. Am I clear? See, कुछ preparation करके जाना पड़ता है when you know that you have questions on case studies, but we don't know exactly what are they going to ask. Proactiveness की ये 4 पॉइंट ये 4 पॉइंट हमें बाय डिफॉल्ट ऐड करना ही करना है. Balance will depend upon case to case. Am I clear? So please do learn this 4 points thoroughly. Am I clear? Am I clear? I hope I'm very clear. And rest, if you want to go in depth, you can go for the pen drive or Google Drive. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Enjoy the studies.